Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to control who can invite you to communities on the VK app if you want to avoid unwanted invitations and manage your privacy efficiently. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Scroll down until you see the option Who can invite me to communities. Tap on this option to view the available choices. Next, you can choose from all users, friends of friends, all friends, no one, or even select certain friends who are allowed to send you invitations. Pick the option that best fits your preferences. Once you make your selection, it will update instantly, and you will no longer receive unwanted invites according to your choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.